For some, it is a journey of miles. For others, a journey across lifetimes. They come to Ayodhya, the sacred city, carrying prayers in their hearts. The pilgrimage begins at the banks of the Sarayu River, where a holy dip cleanses the soul for the path ahead. Through streets alive with the sounds of devotion, every step is a step closer to the divine. And then, the moment arrives. The first glimpse of the Ram Mandir, a structure born from centuries of faith. It is more than stone and art. It is a spiritual home. Here in the presence of the divine, every prayer finds its voice and every heart finds its peace. This is the journey to Ayodhya, where faith finds its eternal home. Welcome to Ladakh, the land of high passes, a world painted in stark, powerful strokes. Inlay, ancient monasteries cling to barren cliffs, breathing spirituality into the thin mountain air. Time slows, prayer flags whisper tales on the wind. Then the journey leads us to Pangongcho, a lake of 1,000 blues stretching to the horizon under a vast, silent sky. This is not just a landscape, it's a feeling of profound peace, a mirror to the soul. In Ladakh, you don't just find stunning views, you find a piece of yourself. Welcome to Jaipur, the pink city of India, where history is painted in hues of rose and terracotta. See the iconic Hawa Mahal, the Palace of Winds, its intricate facade designed for royal women to observe the city unseen. Journey through the opulent gates of the city palace, where the legacy of Maharajas lives on. High above, the majestic Amber Fort stands watch, a testament to Rajput strength. But to truly know Jaipur is to lose yourself in its bustling bazaars, a symphony of vibrant textiles, shimmering jewels, and the timeless skill of local artisans. In the heart of Amritsar stands a sanctuary of breathtaking beauty, the Golden Temple. Shimmering in its sacred pool, it is a symbol of peace and spiritual solace for all humanity. But its true miracle lies not just in its golden facade, but in its heart. This is the Langar, the world's largest free kitchen, serving over 100,000 meals a day. Here all are equal. Everyone sits together, eats together, and serves together. It is a powerful expression of selfless service, where the act of feeding others becomes the highest form of prayer. A golden monument and a communal kitchen, together creating a profound and captivating peace. We begin in Haridwar, the gateway to the gods. As dusk falls, the banks of the sacred Ganges ignite with the Ganga Aarti, a breathtaking ritual of fire and faith. Thousands of lamps float upon the water, carrying prayers into the night. We follow the river upstream to Rishikesh, the yoga capital of the world. Here, iconic bridges span the emerald waters, connecting a world of spiritual seekers. It's a place of profound peace and thrilling adventure, where quiet contemplation meets the exhilarating rush of the rapids. From Haridwar's ancient ceremony to Rishikesh's mountain tranquility, the river Ganges unites all in its divine flow. Once every 12 years, at the sacred confluence of rivers in Prayagraj, the world witnesses the Mahakumbh Mela, the largest gathering of humanity on earth. A temporary city of faith rises from the sands, home to millions of pilgrims who come to wash away their sins. Led by the revered Naga Sadhus, they partake in the Shahi Snan, the royal bath in the holy waters of the Sangam. While it is a spectacle of immense scale, it is also a journey of profound personal devotion, a timeless river of faith, where every drop tells a story of belief. They call it God's own country. Welcome to Kerala. Here life flows at a different pace, drifting through a labyrinth of tranquil backwaters. Traditional houseboats navigate a world of emerald paddy fields and swaying palms. But follow the mist as it rises, and you'll discover another paradise, Munnar. A rolling sea of green, where endless tea gardens blanket the hillsides. From the silent canals to the misty peaks, Kerala is more than a place. It's a feeling of pure, untouched serenity. Beyond the well-trodden paths lies a world within a world, a high-altitude desert, carved by wind and time. This is Spiti Valley. The journey here is an adventure in itself, winding through some of the world's most treacherous roads. It is a land of ancient monasteries clinging to cliffs, where time seems to stand still, and prayer flags carry whispers on the wind. Home to remote villages and resilient people, its raw, barren beauty is both humbling and profound. For those who seek the wild, untouched spirit of the Himalayas, this is the real hidden gem. This is the hidden Ladakh. In Karnataka lies a landscape plucked from fantasy. A lost empire of kings and poets, scattered amongst a terrain of giant boulders. This is Hampi. For centuries, it was the magnificent capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, one of the richest in the world. Today its ruins whisper tales of a glorious past. To explore Hampi is to step into an adventure. From its iconic stone chariot to the bustling Virupaksha temple that still beats with life, every corner holds a mystery. Cross the ancient river, climb to a sacred peak and watch as the sun sets over a forgotten kingdom. It's not just history, it's a treasure hunt. Rising from the banks of the Narmada River in Gujarat, a colossal figure watches over the nation. This is the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue, a tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the Iron Man of India. It stands as a monumental testament to engineering and a nation's ambition. Twice the height of the Statue of Liberty, its sheer scale inspires awe in all who visit. Journey inside to its heart and witness a breathtaking panorama of the surrounding landscape from its viewing gallery. More than just a statue, it is a symbol of India's unity, a marvel of technology and a source of immense national pride. Deep in the rainforests of Meghalaya, India, lies an architectural marvel that defies belief. Bridges that are not built, but grown. At first glance, they seem like something from a fantasy world, but look closer. This is a living, breathing structure, meticulously crafted from nature itself. For generations, the Khasi and Jaintia tribes have learned to guide the aerial roots of the rubber fig tree across rivers and ravines. It is a slow, patient art, taking decades to form a bridge strong enough to withstand the monsoon torrents. This is more than just a bridge. It is a profound partnership between humans and nature, a living testament to ancient wisdom. Welcome to Udaipur, the city of lakes, a vision of white marble rising from the shimmering blue waters of Rajasthan. This is the Venice of the East, where majestic palaces seem to float on water. Explore the sprawling city palace, a monument of stone and story. Its ornate balconies gazing out over the serene Lake Pichola. Take a boat across the tranquil waters at sunset, gliding past the world-famous Lake Palace, a dreamlike structure of ethereal beauty. As evening descends, the city lights up, its golden reflections dancing on the lake's surface. This is Udaipur, a timeless romance, a city built on a dream. It is not merely a building. It is an elegy in marble, a teardrop on the cheek of time. The story of the Taj Mahal is not one of architecture, but of an emperor's undying love. In the 17th century, the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan ruled his vast empire with his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, always by his side. She was his companion, his confidant, his world. But this perfect world shattered when Mumtaz died, giving birth to their 14th child. On her deathbed, she made one final request: to build a mausoleum so beautiful that it would symbolize the greatness of their love for all eternity. Consumed by grief, the emperor poured his soul and the wealth of his empire into fulfilling that promise. For 22 years, more than 20,000 artisans worked to bring his vision to life. He wasn't just building a tomb. He was crafting a physical manifestation of his heart. The Taj Mahal is the promise he kept, a testament that while empires fall and centuries pass, true love remains the most powerful and enduring force on earth. Welcome to Varanasi, the city of light. Here on the banks of the sacred Ganges, time flows differently. Each dawn awakens with prayer, a hymn to existence. Boats glide across the waters, ferrying souls between worlds. As the sun sets, the Ghats are illuminated by the Ganga Aarti, a fiery offering that connects the mortal to the divine. Here the cycle of life and death is not an end, but a gateway to liberation. Known as moksha, Varanasi is not just a city. It is an experience, a journey into the heart of spirituality, where every moment is sacred. There is a place on earth so beautiful. It is called paradise. This is Kashmir. In Gulmarg, the world is hushed under a blanket of pristine snow. Here you can ride above the clouds and touch the sky, in a kingdom of silent white majesty. But Kashmir's soul has two faces. We travel to Pahalgam, the Valley of Shepherds, where life flows with the rushing Lidar River. Emerald meadows stretch to the horizon, a land vibrant and alive. From the serene silence of winter to the gentle whisper of summer meadows, Kashmir is not just a place to see, but a feeling to be carried in your heart forever. Ghats, the name conjures images of sun-kissed beaches and the gentle lull of the sea. A paradise of golden sands, where days are measured in sunsets. But to know the real Goa, you must journey inland. Here lies its tranquil heart, a world of lush spice plantations and rivers that meander through emerald forests. Time slows down among the colorful Portuguese villas that dot the landscape. This is the other side of paradise, peaceful, green and rich with history. A perfect harmony of vibrant coastlines and a soulful, silent hinterland.